This is version 1 of a real-life Cops and Robbers game that I've made for our machines. They are battery-powered, connect wirelessly, and clamp on in seconds. Cops flash red, robbers flash green. If you get tagged by a cop, the beeper sounds, the light switches to red, and you join the hunt. Point of the game, eliminate all the robbers. And you want to be the last one caught. There's no timer right now, so whoever gets caught last wins. There's only 3 of us on our testing day, so it should be easy to keep track of who got tagged last. On the bench, these things have been flawless, but we've never tested them in the real world. Movement, vibration, this is the real test. Round 1, we're just gonna test it kind of slow. Someone will stay here, 2 of you will go up and approach slowly just so we can see what kind of range we're working with. Make sure it kind of works in theory before we let it rip. All right, guys, I'm gonna hit the button to start. I'll be the cop.
I'm not ready.
How long do we got to get away from you?
A minute, but James's unit did not take the hint.
Yeah, I'm still on Discovery.
First problem has been revealed. James's unit did not go to...
I don't think you ever put sync on it.
What?
No, I'm on. I'm on connected. I'm Units 3.
Yeah. All right, reach up and shut them off. We'll try again. And turn it back on. All right, once we see Discovery 3, we'll try again. So, all right,
Yep.
See everybody flashing. I'm hitting the button.
Yep, we're good.
Green, you got a minute. Get away from me.
My tire's not
Don't go
meant for this.
Don't go too far away. We're just testing to see if it catches you. I got a flashing red light. Uh-oh, and they're out of comm range.
What?
Oh, there you are. Come back down to me.
I'm green.
Still green?
I'm green.
That's good. Oh, there you are. I'm hoping you get pretty close.
Here, you guys come to me.
I'm red.
See if it connects.
I'm red now.
You're red from there?
From here. It might have turned red just when I got into the U.
Oh my. That's a pretty big distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, it shows I caught you. I got to turn the radio down. That's a good problem to have, though. Where's James?
I'm coming.
He went that direction.
I'm right here. I'm coming.
I'm right here, he says.
I'm in camp.
Okay.
I'm just testing to see, like, how long mine will take.
All right, Donald's driving away.
Here. Alright, I see you, Dad.
Are you still green?
Still green.
Still green, okay. There you are.
Oh, I'm red.
You're red. Okay.
Yeah, I'm red.
Version 1, the range is a little too strong.
You set it to this.
I have it on a low setting. It's not even turned all the way up. Those
Must
radios
be,
work pretty good.
A little too high.
Yeah. Mine says converged. James, does yours say converged?
Yep, I'm converged.
How about you, Donald? You converged?
Yes.
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Yep, both lights are flashing. That means they all know that we all got caught. Cool. We should reset and try it for real. That is quite a distance, though.
It is. I was in the U.
Yeah, so for version 2, I'll definitely turn it down.
Yeah.
I also needed to read broadcasts that were starting in case one wasn't listening when we started. Okay? So let's reset and do round 2. Hold your reset buttons for 10 seconds. It's the top one on the back.
Take my glove off. Alright, I'm reset.
Okay?
Oh, mine didn't work. I must have let go of it too soon.
You have to hold it.
It said 0, so I was like, oh, okay, there we go.
There, okay, you're resetting. You're on Discovery. You're resetting. I'm on Discovery.
I see Dad.
What?
I see you. Oh, I see Donald now.
You got 3?
Yep.
Nice. You got
Three,
three?
three.
3 of 3?
3.
Okay. I'm gonna hit the button.
I'm gonna run away.
I don't know if you should. My gloves aren't on.
I'm flashing red, you're flashing green, you're flashing green. Go, get out of here. I will hunt you down. I will end you.
No, you won't.
Bring it on, pal.
Bring it on, he says. You got it.
And then I
Oh, he's already stuck. He can't shift it.
My mini machine is
I'm getting in. Oh, you are so screwed, Donald.
I'm gonna escape with my mini machine.
He wrecked. He just wrecked. He's in a ditch.
I did a wreck.
Donald,
Oh, no.
I said one thing. Pay attention.
I did. And it went right into a tree.
I'm still running.
Oh man, if I were in here, you were done.
Oh.
I hit another tree.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Ah. All right, I'm on my way.
I didn't catch you, did I?
No.
Okay.
So that's green.
All right. I'm loading up. I'm going. Well, once the time's up. I am coming for you. I will find you. I must be pretty far away. I don't hear any of them. Unless they're being quiet on purpose. How about now?
I hear Dad.
I'm coming for you.
Yeah, but I'm not, you can't find me.
Are you guys still flashing green?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just straight green. I'm straight green.
There may have been a glitch because mine says I caught everybody already.
I do have a feeling you're lying.
No, it really did. Oh, it says I caught everybody again. I don't know why it's doing that. Alright, mine seems to be a little excited. This is kind of hard. Don't back up.
Ah, that's too easy. Darn it.
Did yours switch to red or is it still green?
Oh, it's red. Blinking red.
Really?
Yep.
Is it blinking red and green? No, you're a cop. Okay.
Red.
Mine says I caught everyone. I don't know what his problem is.
Really?
Yeah.
You're supposed to be blinking red and green when you catch everybody?
Yeah, and it's what mine's doing right now. I haven't seen James yet.
I was gonna say, if you came from that direction, the last time I seen James was that way. I wonder if it caught him.
Alright. I'm turning around. I'll go up this way and we'll flush out that way. Go down 2 trails at the same time.
Okay.
on, I got it.
I saw him, he was down near camp.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll flush this one out. Oh, I see him. I got him. I got him. There, he's trying to turn around. I got him though. Oh, you are so done. I got you. I got you.
No, you didn't. I'm still going.
Yeah, my radio is broken and it says I caught everyone a while ago. But I got you.
I know. I'm green.
Yeah, you're not though. I'm right behind you.
Dang it.
All right, meet back at camp.
I got him.
Well, I hope I didn't bust anything. I nailed that pretty good.
I was watching. I got the whole thing.
What'd you do?
He immediately wrecked. I told him to be careful. He went over there and he spun out. And then he backed into a tree.
Yeah.
So at the end of round 1, his says that he's still infected and searching for people. His went to receiver with a solid green light. I don't even know what that means. And mine says that we caught everybody, but it said that before I even left. Also, my light fell off. It says I caught everybody. So I don't know what's going on with this one. Yeah. I snapped the mount right off of it, but I probably caught it on a branch. So those need a little bit of reinforcement. We want to try one more round? Or should I go back to the drawing board and do some programming?
Oh, this is fun.
One more round? All right. This time, why don't we let someone else do a cop? That way we know if it's mine that's a problem or if it's someone else.
So who is it?
James is it.
James, is it?
Yep.
Oh boy. I gotta push select, right? I forgot.
Nope. Nope.
No?
We're in Discovery. He'll push the button and it'll start flashing.
If I'm actually in low and 4-wheel drive this time, so I don't slam into a tree or a ditch. Sheesh.
Okay. I'm ready when you are.
Me too.
Button's on. Go. Run.
Yep. I got the light.
Okay, bye.
Let's see if I can go this way, not wreck Donald.
Yeah. Don't be in high wheel or high in 4-wheel drive. Oh boy. Nobody's here.
He's here?
Nope,
Guys,
nobody's here.
Guys, I'm converged again too.
You're already converged?
Yeah, must be a cop thing. Anyways, I'm still coming for you guys.
Okay. Yeah, mine is stuck in receiver like yours did, just a solid green light.
I'm solid green.
Flash them.
You're solid green too, Donald?
Yeah, mine's solid green.
Alright, so something's wrong with our programming.
Strategy's working. I got my mic up. He's right there. I'm in this little cutout, which is still in bounds, with my engine off, so he can't find me. He just drove by on this trail. Right there's a trail, so I think I'm in a good hiding spot. I'm gonna put my mic back on so he doesn't know I'm up to something.
The Donald.
What's taking so long, James? Jeez, I'm so bored.
Dude.
Interesting. Mine went to converged while I'm sitting out here away from everyone. Not sure what that's all about. But there is no one around me.
Oh my goodness.
Is he on to you? Or did you wreck again?
It's awfully quiet out there.
I can't believe we can go this long without bumping into each other.
He's right there. There you go. Ultimate hiding spot.
Hey,
I got Donald.
Oh.
Donald's caught.
Donald's caught?
I don't know. It says connected. Blinking green.
Yeah, his went converged.
Yeah, mine's converged.
Yeah. He's right behind you.
Yep.
Hey, how do you know, Dad?
I see all.
Oh, you have ride command. Cheater.
Can't see your machine on ride command.
Cheater.
You don't know what you're talking about. I hear Donald.
Oh, I know exactly where Dad is. Huh?
Yeah, where do you think he is?
I think I'm going somewhere now.
I think James.
Yep, and I see Dad.
Oh, he found me. Oh, man. Okay, let me see if it changed status. No, it's still, it mine just says converged.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I realized.
Meet back at camp. Whew. All right, well, let's discuss.
It's slippery.
For proof of concept, It's there, but it needs some work.
Yep.
The range, we need to turn that way down. I was aiming for about 40 feet.
Oh.
All right, so we're gonna...
Yeah, that's like 100.
100 feet, yeah. So we'll bring that down. And it keeps jumping modes, I don't know why, so I need to do longer testing on that.
Mine said
Because
receiver.
mine never
Yeah.
turned red. All it did is went to that. That's
It was
why
straight
I
to
didn't even know that
converged.
James got me.
Yeah, before, right when I was leaving here, it went straight to converged on mine, so I couldn't catch anybody. What do you think about a time limit?
So like a time limit, like we gotta stay away from you for
For a certain amount of time, say 5 or 10 minutes, it'll say you're a winner, and then you just go back to camp. Any robber after 10 minutes
It's just
is a winner.
An automatic winner.
Yep, it's automatic winner, and it'll stop listening, so it'll freeze everything. So when everyone meets, just in case somebody got someone and we didn't know about it, we can figure it out. But yeah, it'll stop. We'll say you win. Go back to the parking lot. I've got some ideas. I got to figure out the radio glitches, and I need some reinforcement on the tower lights.
Because yours broke.
Yeah, they broke.
What? It was actually pretty good. I just think that yours just hit a
I think I
branch
snagged a branch.
or something.
That was a good test for version 1. Version 2 starts now.
Crap, 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 crap. Oh, I almost hit a tree. I saw it too. Whew, that was a close one.